Let's solve this question here. NECO 2025 Mathematics Theory Question 3B. The question is on arithmetic projection. The question is, the first, second, and last term of an arithmetic projection AP are 1, 4 over 3 and 3 whole number 2 over 3 respectively. Find the number of terms in the AP. Now, to solve this question, it is clearly stated as an arithmetic projection. So now let's write out the terms given. We have 1, 4 over 3, 3 whole number 2 over 3. Here we have that 1, 4 over 3, this 3 whole number 2 over 3, which is the last term, can also be written as 11 over 3. How did I get this 11 over 3? You convert this mixed fraction here, this 3 over 2 over 3, to an improper fraction. We have this. So basically, this is what the arithmetic projection looks like. 1, 4 over 3, 11 over 3. Now, the first term, let's bring out the information given in the question. But before we go to the information, what is the formula for calculating the nth term of an AP? That is Tn equals A plus n minus 1 bracket D. Here, our A is equals to the first term, n is the nth term, and D is the common difference. Now, let's bring it out. A, which is equals to the A is equals to the first term. A is equals to the first term, and that is given as 1. To get our D, which is equals to the common difference, our common difference is calculated as is equals to T2 minus T1. So by the time we decide to subtract our T2 minus T1, that means we have 4 over 3 minus 1. That is going to give us 4 over 3 minus 1 is going to give us 1 over 3. That means here our D is equals to 1 over 3. Now, we are asked to calculate the number of terms in the AP. Now, to calculate the number of terms in the AP, all we just need to do is we need to substitute in this value, in this information we have here, into this formula here, so that we can get the number of our terms. N is going to be the number of terms here. Now, let's substitute. Tn equals, what's our A? Our A is 1 plus our N, we don't know, minus 1. Our D is 1 over 3. If you agree with me, we can also equate it to 11 over 3, meaning that we can have it as 1 plus n minus 1, 1 over 3 equals 11 over 3. 11 over 3. Why do I equate it to 11 over 3? I equated it to 11 over 3 because we're asked to calculate, we want to find the number of terms. And this 11 over 3 here is the last term in this AP. So by the time we substitute in all this value and we equate that this is equals to 11 over 3, it will help us calculate our n. So n is going to be the number of terms. So let's quickly solve that. We can have this as 1 minus, we can have it as 11 over 3 minus 1 equals, this is going to be n minus 1 bracket 1 over 3 equals 11 over 3 minus 1. This is going to give us this is going to equals to 3, 11 minus 3, n minus 1, 1 over 3. Then this is going to give us n minus 1, 1 over 3 is equals to 11 minus 3 is going to give us 8 over 3. Then from here we want to solve for our help. We say multiply both sides, multiply both sides by 3. So it's going to give us 3 times n minus 1, 1 over 3 times 3 is going to give us 8 over 3 times 3. So we have n minus 1 n minus 1, this 3 will cancel out this 3 here, equals 8. I have n equals 8 plus 1. In that case, we are going to have 9. So you can say find the number of terms. The number of terms, the number of terms is 9. That means we have 9 terms in this what AP.